Are you tired of fighting your own metabolism without seeing any real results on the scale? The secret to burning fat isn't starving yourself. It's about eating the right metabolic triggers. Imagine turning your body into a non-stop fat-burning machine while eating delicious, satisfying food. Science shows that specific foods spark thermogenesis, forcing your body to melt fat during digestion. Today, we're revealing the top 10 fat-burning foods you should eat every single day. Get ready to transform your health with these simple, science-backed additions to your daily plate. Hidden processed ingredients and toxic sugars are quietly sabotaging your metabolism and locking fat away. A stalled metabolism forces your body to store fat directly around your vital internal organs. This biological trap triggers constant cravings and frustrating energy crashes that destroy your willpower. Starvation diets actually trick your brain into holding on to fat, slowing your thyroid to a crawl. It leaves you feeling entirely defeated, mistakenly believing that your genetics are keeping you overweight. Chronically high insulin levels create a chemical barrier that makes fat burning physically impossible. Metabolic dysfunction affects millions, causing constant brain fog, low energy, and stubborn weight gain. Stubborn belly fat is often a direct physical symptom of elevated stress hormones from dieting. Synthetic diet foods actively destroy your gut health, blocking the hormones that tell you you're full. This hormone disruption creates constant, intense hunger, trapping you in an endless cycle of overeating. Artificial fat burners fry your adrenal glands, leading to severe hormonal crashes and deeper fatigue. An overworked liver stops burning fat because it's too busy filtering out synthetic chemical additives. This cellular inflammation eventually threatens your long-term longevity, turning weight gain into a health crisis. It's deeply unfair to make sacrifices while watching others eat freely without gaining a pound. Food should bring you joy and deep nourishment, not constant mathematical anxiety and psychological guilt. The commercial diet industry thrives on your failure, selling addictive chemical products that keep you trapped. Processed diet products strip away the vital micronutrients your cellular machinery needs to burn fuel. You cannot punish your body into losing weight. You must change the signals you send yourself. It's time to switch from painful deprivation to smart, science-based metabolic optimization, starting today. Ignoring these metabolic warning signs means your calorie-burning power will continue to drop every year. Crash diets destroy your calorie-burning muscle churn, guaranteeing you gain more weight back in the future. This toxic yo-yo dieting cycle ages your cells and trains your body to permanently store fat. Chronic internal inflammation damages your skin and hair, accelerating the visible signs of physical aging. Low metabolic energy robs you of life's best moments, leaving you too exhausted to participate fully. Feeling uncomfortable in your skin quietly erodes your confidence, causing you to withdraw from life. Do not let your health slip away for another month when the solution is entirely within reach. Your body naturally wants to be lean and vibrant. It just needs the correct raw materials. Break free from the stressful prison of calorie counting and step into effortless, lasting metabolic health. Take absolute control of your biology today with a few simple, strategic grocery list upgrades. Let's end the frustration and dive straight into the top 10 powerful fat-burning foods. Welcome to Human Health Tips. Subscribe now to unlock science-backed secrets for a healthier, leaner you. First up is wild-caught salmon, packed with omega-3 fats that turn on your body's fat-burning genes. Salmon improves insulin sensitivity, ensuring your meals are used for clean energy instead of belly fat. Its high protein content triggers a massive thermal effect, burning calories simply through the digestion process. Food number 2 is avocado, loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that actually instruct your body to burn fuel. Avocados help suppress insulin spikes, keeping you safely locked inside the fat-burning zone for hours. The rich prebiotic fiber nourishes your gut, which is clinically proven to reduce dangerous internal belly fat. Third is green tea, rich in a powerful antioxidant called EGCG that directly accelerates fat burning. EGCG boosts your fat-burning hormones, signaling your cells to constantly break down and release stored fat. Just 3 cups a day can boost your baseline metabolism, burning extra calories completely on autopilot. Food number 4 is organic whole eggs, packed with vital choline to clear fat out of your liver. A clean liver processes nutrients perfectly, while bioavailable egg protein keeps your metabolic rate running high. Swapping morning carbs for whole eggs dramatically increases weight loss and completely eliminates toxic afternoon cravings. Fifth is apple cider vinegar, containing potent acetic acid that significantly lowers your blood sugar spikes. By flattening blood sugar spikes, it prevents your pancreas from releasing excessive amounts of fat-storing insulin. Taking a tablespoon before meals turns on genes that specifically target and melt stubborn abdominal fat. Food number 6 is extra virgin coconut oil, packed with unique fats called medium-chain triglycerides. These unique fats go straight to your liver for instant energy, meaning they cannot be stored as fat. Coconut oil boosts your daily calorie burn, while providing your brain with instant clear ketone energy. Seventh is fiery chili peppers containing capsaicin, a powerful compound that directly fires up your metabolic rate. Capsaicin raises your core temperature, forcing your body to burn stored fat just to cool itself down. It also naturally blunts your appetite, making it incredibly easy to stay satisfied with smaller portions. Food number 8 is plain Greek yogurt, delivering a massive hit of muscle-building protein and gut-healing probiotics. The high calcium content actually signals your fat cells to stop storing lipid molecules and start shrinking. These live cultures reduce gut inflammation, paving the way for a flatter stomach and enhanced metabolic efficiency. Ninth is organic spinach, containing microscopic thylakoid structures that significantly crush your intense food cravings. Thylakoids shut down hedonic hunger in the brain, completely stopping your urge to snack on junk food. Spinach adds healthy bulk to your digestion, physically filling your stomach while remaining exceptionally low in total calories. Food number 10 is organic black coffee, which naturally increases your fat burning rate by 11%. Coffee floods your blood with epinephrine, releasing locked-away fatty acids to be burned off during your day. Keep your coffee black. Adding sugar spikes your insulin and instantly cancels out its powerful fat-burning benefits. Combining these 10 superfoods correctly creates a powerful synergy that accelerates your weight loss results exponentially. Start your morning with eggs cooked in coconut oil alongside fresh avocado to keep fat-storing hormones completely flat. This high-fat morning combination keeps your energy soaring and eliminates any desire for unhealthy office snacks. Beat the mid-afternoon energy slump with a warm cup of green tea and creamy, protein-rich Greek yogurt. This snack provides a steady stream of vital amino acids to support lean muscle and maintain a high metabolism. For dinner, enjoy a wild-caught salmon fillet paired with a generous serving of garlic sautéed chili spinach. This nourishing dinner activates your metabolism for the night, letting you torch fat while you sleep soundly. A quick glass of apple cider vinegar water before dinner ensures your body stays firmly inside the fat-burning zone. Structuring your plate around these whole foods removes the guesswork and works in perfect harmony with your biology. Consistency is key. Integrating these foods daily is what permanently resets your baseline metabolic fat-burning power. Commit to these choices until they become automatic, and watch your cravings for toxic processed food completely vanish. As inflammation fades, your energy will surge, your sleep will deepen, and daily exercise will become truly joyful. This is the beautiful upward spiral of health, empowering your body to run at its peak genetic potential. Never forget to hydrate. Water is the essential chemical medium your cells require to break down stored fat. Drinking ice-cold water in the morning instantly spikes your calorie burn as your body works to warm it up. Prioritize deep sleep. Low sleep spikes cortisol, which forcefully signals your body to hold on to stubborn abdominal fat. Deep rest dissolves stress hormones, unlocks your fat cells, and perfectly sets up your metabolism for the next day. Eliminate toxic industrial seed oils like canola and soybean oil, which heavily inflame and damage your metabolic cellular machinery. Switch to clean fats like extra virgin olive oil and grass-fed butter to support healthy fat-burning hormone production. You'll be amazed at how fast your bloating disappears once you cut out toxic inflammatory food additives. Real, lasting weight loss is about showing your body deep respect through high-quality, life-affirming nutrition. Every meal is a powerful choice to either store fat or actively burn it. Choose to fuel your vitality today. Now let's reveal an exclusive, game-changing bonus secret that will take your fat loss results to the next level. The golden bonus tip is time-restricted feeding, consuming your daily meals within a strategic 8-hour window. Fasting for 16 hours forces your body to switch fuels, aggressively burning deep visceral fat for clean energy. This window triggers autophagy, a cellular deep cleaning process that leaves your metabolism running faster, cleaner, and younger. Simply finish dinner by 8 p.m. and eat your nutrient-dense egg plate at noon to maximize overnight fat loss. Combining this window with our 10 foods creates an unstoppable protocol for a lean, vibrant life. Transforming your metabolic health is the ultimate investment in your long-term longevity, happiness, and personal vitality. Your health is your absolute greatest wealth, and you have the power to change it, starting right now. Please smash that like button and share this video to help us spread vital health education to the world. Subscribe to Human Health Tips right now and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching Human Health Tips. Click the next video on your screen now to keep learning.